The Indus River flows through the region of Ladakh, contributing to the stunning landscapes and providing a lifeline to the local communities. Here's some information about the Indus River in Ladakh. Geography. Ladakh is a high-altitude region in the northern part of India, and the Indus River flows through its valleys and plains. The river originates in Tibet and enters India in the region of Ladakh. Scenic beauty. The Indus River adds to the scenic beauty of Ladakh with its crystal-clear waters cutting through the rugged terrain. The contrast between the blue waters of the river and the barren landscapes of Ladakh is a sight to behold. Lifeline for Ladakh. The Indus River is a crucial water source for Ladakh, providing water for irrigation, domestic use, and supporting the local ecosystem. The river is vital for the sustenance of agriculture and livelihoods in the region. Cultural importance. The Indus River holds cultural and historical significance in Ladakh. The river has been integral to the development of civilizations in the region, and its waters have played a role in shaping the cultural practices of the local communities. Leh and Indus confluence. One notable spot is the confluence of the Indus and Zanskar rivers near Leh, the capital of Ladakh. The merging of these two rivers is a spectacular natural phenomenon, and the different colors of the waters can be observed. River rafting. The Indus River in Ladakh is known for offering exciting river rafting opportunities. The stretch between Spatuk and Indus creates thrilling rapids against the backdrop of stunning landscapes. Wildlife and ecosystem. The Indus River supports a diverse ecosystem along its banks. The wetlands and riparian areas are home to various species of birds, contributing to the rich biodiversity of the region. Changing landscape. The course of the Indus River has carved dramatic landscapes in Ladakh, including deep gorges and canyons. The river's flow is crucial in shaping the terrain over centuries. The Indus River in Ladakh is not only a geographical feature, but an integral part of the region's identity, influencing its ecology, culture, and way of life. Exploring the banks of